Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Vivian from the Paper Letter blog, and I'm just here with a quick video showing you one of my outgoing Valentine's Day mails. So usually I create the mail package with you guys on camera, but this is one that I did off camera and I liked it so much that I wanted to show you anyway. So I'll just quickly take you through it and show you some of the things inside. Okay, so first off, what I really like about this one is that the envelope is see-through. See, this is actually one of these milky white envelopes and you can just see the little card through that, and obviously the address is going to be on here, but that'll also look really cute. Then when you flip it over, you see some of the embellishments that I used. Okay, so when you take it out, the first thing you notice obviously is this front. I don't know if I can show you, but these two die cuts are like, they have these pop-up stickers underneath them, so they are a little bit higher than the rest. And then on the back here, I just have a wax seal stamp. Unfortunately, it didn't work out as great as I wanted, but it's on the back anyway. And then I tied everything shut with these little baker's twine, and then on here we just have a little tag that says Happy Valentine's Day. Then when you open it up, the first thing I want to show you is this little paper clip. You can also see it on the outside, a little paper clip shaped like hearts. I mean, that's perfect for Valentine's Day, right? Then this card, which is a rose, which again, perfect for Valentine's Day. And then on the back here, I wrote some answers to a mail tag that she sent me. I just thought that was a cute way to answer those questions. And then on the left here, we have a little pocket with some goodies. This little die cut here says my heart is happy, and then this one says just for you. And then here in the corner, we have some of these animal dots. Now I'll just take out the goodies so that you can see what I added. Some cute. These, by the way, are from a Dutch Etsy shop called We Heart Confetti. I really like it and they are very cute. Some more die cuts. These sticky notes that say kiss. I'm all about the die cuts, as you can see. I have so many perfect for Valentine's Day. Happy together, cute girl, a heart, one big fat kiss. Oh, this one is really cute. It says fries before guys. Then let me see if I got everything out. Whoops. Okay, and then this one is also from We Heart Confetti again, Be Mine, and just a little wooden heart in there. Then the next item is this little card that I put as some sort of a divider in between. Here I wrote time for happy mail, and then I put these cute hearts in the corner. And on the back I wrote a mail tag again. It's in Dutch, and unfortunately I smudged the writing a little bit, but this is just my mail tag. Then over here we have some very cute die cuts again, and then I just made this little envelope which you can open, and then in here is my letter. So yeah, so I just thought that that was really cute. I just wanted to show you, give you some inspiration and hopefully some ideas for Valentine's Day. If you want to see a more expanded video with many more ideas, please go to my channel and watch my latest video. I will put a link in the description down below. Also, I wrote a little blog about this in which I give you many more ideas for Valentine's Day. So I'm hoping to see you over there, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye! So hold the letter. In here we have some rose blossom tea. And this little envelope. Oops. in this little envelope we have a little quote card and a little bookmark. And in this pocket here we have a die cut, another little card, and some sticky notes. And then this will hold the letter and you can just take it out like this.